Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best heavy-duty brown 2-inch by 60-yard 3-pack packing tape on the market. This is the BOMEI Pack Brown Packing Tape, and if you're someone who frequently ships, stores, or moves boxes, you might want to stick around for the next few minutes. Now, before we jump into details, let's set the scene. You're packing up boxes, whether you're moving across town or sending out packages from your small business. Right out of the box, you get 3 jumbo rolls of tape, each measuring 2 inches in width and a generous 60 yards in length. That's a total of 180 yards, enough to handle dozens of boxes, large or small. But it's not just about quantity here. Let's talk quality. This isn't your average packing tape. Each roll is made of 2.7 mm thick material. What does that mean for you? It means durability. You're not going to get that flimsy, tear-prone feel you might find in bargain bin brands. This stuff is designed to hold tight and firm. Once it's on your box, it stays put. No peeling, no lifting, no reapplying. One of the most impressive features is its heavy-duty adhesive. Whether your boxes are heading to a storage unit in the summer heat or a delivery truck in the dead of winter, this tape doesn't care. It grips surfaces like cardboard and recycled paperboard with total confidence. And it holds up over time, making it ideal for both long-term storage and rough shipping routes. Now let's talk compatibility. The rolls come with a standard 3-inch core. That means they fit universally into any handheld 3-inch tape dispenser, no fuss. Just pop it in and get to work. No waste of time or energy trying to make it work with awkward equipment. The color is also something worth noting. This is brown packing tape, not clear, and that actually offers a few advantages. First, it gives your packaging a more professional look, especially for e-commerce sellers. Second, it can help hide printed box labels or markings underneath, giving everything a cleaner presentation. Let's touch briefly on versatility. This isn't just tape for boxes. It's perfect for bundling items together, sealing up long-term storage bins, reinforcing packages that might take a beating in transit, and even doing some quick temporary fixes in the workshop or garage. If you're a DIYer, seller, or just someone who values quality tools, this tape becomes one of those, "Why didn't I buy this sooner?" products. And while it's tough, it's not stubborn. You won't be wrestling with it to get a clean cut. That smooth unwind means you can apply it fast and accurately, which is crucial when you're on a packing deadline. So who is this for? Pretty much anyone. Movers, shippers, small business owners, warehouse workers, even casual home organizers. If you use tape more than once a month, this product deserves a spot in your supply cabinet. To wrap things up, pun fully intended, the BOMEI Pack Brown Packing Tape 3-pack offers the ideal mix of strength, reliability, volume, and value. It's thick, sticky, professional-looking, and built to last through any condition. When your boxes absolutely must stay sealed and secure, this is the tape to reach for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more brutally honest breakdowns of products that actually do what they promise. Until next time, pack smart, ship safe, and always critique your tools.